Here we are with the install of the Compact 45 and its inline filter box. Everything is coming out really good. We have to reposition the pump station and the macerator pump out, but this is pretty much where the pump out is going for our new macerator pump out. And the pump station more than likely might end up going over there, but the customer and I are working together to ensure that this is going in there really good. I don't do installs unless there's a customer here. I don't do blind installs. There's just, a lot of money invested in this equipment, and I want it done right for the customer. So, by being here, he can tell me which way things should go. And we also had built-in brackets, so I can build brackets at any length to make it work for you. And sometimes we don't need brackets depending on the size of the van or truck. In this case, we have a lot of regular vans that didn't need brackets, but in this case we built these. They come out really nice. That looks like a really nice looking outfit here. This guy's got a lot here to make the money and make things happen, and so and everything came out pretty good overall. We haven't finished it yet, but it's still in the making of getting it all installed.